Adik-adik semuanya, kali ini kita akan belajar materi Bahasa Inggris kelas 6, Unit 2. Cici visited her grandma last month. Cici visited her grandma last month. Cici mengunjungi neneknya bulan lalu. Nah, ini Cici and grandma. Oke. Terus, Made listened to the music last night. Made listened to the music last night. Made mendengarkan musik tadi malam. Okay, this picture. And Made talked to Joshua 2 days ago. Made talked to Joshua 2 days ago. Made berbicara atau ngobrol dengan Joshua 2 hari yang lalu. Ada kata ago di sini ya, ago, kemudian last night, kemudian last month atau last week ya. Ini menunjukkan bahwa suatu kejadian atau kegiatan itu terjadi di masa lampau gitu. Oke, kita beresin yang ini dulu. Jadi ini nomor 5 ya. Made talked to Joshua 2 days ago. Nah, kembali ke ini yang kakak garis bawah ini. Jadi, ciri-ciri suatu kalimat atau kegiatan itu sudah dilakukan di masa lampau gitu ya. Itu ada keterangan waktunya gitu. Keterangan waktunya ini sangat-sangat khas. Jadi, ada last month, last night, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. 2 days ago 2 hari yang lalu. 3 days ago 3 hari yang lalu. A year ago setahun yang lalu gitu. Jadi kalau ada kata-kata seperti ini udah pasti pas ya. Kegiatan, aktivitas yang dilakukan di masa lampau. Oke? Nah, next masih ada lagi gambar berikutnya. Cici brought some books an hour ago. Cici membawa beberapa buku sejam yang lalu. Kemudian, Made talked to Joshua yesterday. Made bicara dengan Joshua kemarin. Ya, this one is Made and this is Joshua. They talk to each other, berarti ini yang cocok. And then Aisyah gave Cici an ice cream cone yesterday. Aisyah gave Cici an ice cream cone yesterday. Aisyah memberikan Cici es krim kemarin. Next, look and write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Cici's activities last week. Aktivitasnya Cici minggu lalu. Oke, library. Mereka di perpustakaan. We have Cici, Joshua ya. And then Kimi, ada Kimi juga, Aisyah. Oke, so you need to complete the sentences ya based on the pictures. Lengkapi kalimat ini dengan berdasarkan gambar. Okay. Nah, number 1, Cici blank a storybook. Ini dia lagi ngapain ya? Ya, Cici read a storybook. Number 2, Aisyah blank to a librarian. Aisyah what to a librarian. Librarian ini penjaga perpustakaan ya. Aisyah talked to a librarian. Next, Made. This one, Made What? Nah, ini buat kalimat sendiri ya, kelanjutannya. Made ngapain? Ya, Made brought a book. Made meminjam sebuah buku. Joshua, what? Ya, Joshua brought some books. Membawa beberapa buku. Kimi, what? Ini Kimi ngapain? Kimi ran in the library. Now, let's arrange the words. Kita atur lagi kata-katanya di sini. Aisyah and Cici in last week were the playground. Nah, kalimat yang tepat adalah Aisyah and Cici were in the playground last week. Artinya Aisyah dan Cici berada di taman bermain minggu lalu. Number 1, where Cici and Aisyah the playground in last week. Ya, awali dulu dengan subjeknya. Ini number 1. And then 2, where. Kemudian posisinya 3. Kemudian lokasinya 4. Dan keterangan waktunya. Oke, so kalimatnya menjadi Cici and Aisyah were in the playground last week. Next, read a comic Cici last night book. Nah, coba ikuti seperti ini. Subjeknya dulu, kata kerjanya berikutnya, lalu objek dan keterangan waktunya. Cici read a comic book last night. Was Aisyah reading yesterday? Aisyah was reading yesterday. Next, was Kimi the tree under? Ya, Kimi was under the tree. Was clean the playground? The playground was clean. Next, read and answer. Look at the cards and answer the questions. Ya, ini perlu praktek ya. Tergantung kartu apa yang kalian dapat. When did she go to the beach? Kapan dia ke pantai? Di sini jawabannya last week, minggu lalu. Oke. Next, read and answer. Read the text and complete the sentence. Cici's activity on last Monday. Oke, bisa ikuti ya. Bisa ikuti kakak pengucapannya. Last Monday, Cici did not go to the canteen. She was in the library during break time. She met Joshua, Made, and Aisyah there. Joshua borrowed many books. Made borrowed a comic and a story book. Aisyah read a magazine. Cici looked for a traditional dancing book because she likes dancing. Finally, she found the book. After an hour in the library, they had to go back to their class. When they got to the class, Bunina had started the lesson. They said sorry to Bunina and promised not to be late again. Okay. Ini ada pertanyaan di bawah. Last Monday, Cici went to what? Did not go to the canteen. Dia tidak di kantin, tapi dia di perpustakaan ya. In the library. During break time. Oke, berarti she went to the library. Cici went to the library on... Pada hari apa dia ke perpustakaan? Ya, on Monday. Or kalau kita mau tambah on last Monday boleh. Joshua and Made borrowed what in the library? Joshua dan Made meminjam apa di perpustakaan? Ya, Joshua and Made borrowed some books in the library. Next, Aisyah read what? Ini ya, Aisyah read a magazine. Cici looked for the traditional dancing book because Cici mencari buku tarian tradisional karena ini ya, because she likes dancing. Because she likes dancing. Seperti itu.